For this item, you need to figure out which statement correctly describes the solution to the equation below. So, before we can even think about how many solutions this equation may have, we have to first simplify and combine like terms on the left and right side of the equation. So, to get started, you want to first write the equation. -6 times x plus 3 plus 2x equals 7x minus 18 minus 10x. Now, we see that we have parentheses on the left side of the equation, so we have to go ahead and distribute the -6. That's going to leave us with -6x minus 18, because -6 times +3 is -18. Then we still have plus 2x equals 7x minus 18 minus 10x. All right, on both sides of the equation, we need to combine like terms. So I recommend using scratch paper for a problem like this. And what you can do is put a square around your like terms so that you don't forget to combine them. So any term with an x, those are like terms, so you can combine those terms. So let's look right here. When we combine like terms, we have -6x plus 2x, which gives us -4x. We still have the minus 18, and that is equal to -7x minus 10x is -3x. And we still have the minus 18. So now we can make a decision as to how many solutions this equation has. We can see that the x terms are different. So because the x terms are different, we know that this equation has one solution. We do not care about the constants, because once we know that x terms are different, we know that this equation has one solution. So now we need to solve the equation. To solve the equation, we can get all of the x terms on one side of the equation, and we can get all of the constants on the other side of the equation. That is one way to solve this problem. Another way to solve it, because you know that there is exactly one solution, right? Exactly one solution. And we know this is a multiple choice item. This is a test taking strategy. They say the solution could be either 0 or 1. So we might as well just try these by substituting them in the equation. So we can just go ahead and substitute 0 in the equation. So let's do negative. First, let's rewrite the equation. So we have -4x minus 18 equals -3x minus 18. And we're going to just substitute 0 in the equation for x and see if the equation is true. So we have -4 times 0 minus 18 equals -3 times 0 minus 18. So we're left with 0 minus 18 equals 0 minus 18. We can already see this is going to be true, but we can just continue with combining like terms. So we have -18, 0 minus 18 is -18, equals -18. Once again, 0 minus 18 is -18. -18 does in fact equal -18. We know that x equals 0 is the solution. We do not need to try 1 because we know there's exactly one solution. And if 0 is that solution, 1 is not the solution. There's only one solution.